kids.
Hi everyone! It's Pride Month, and in honor of all LGBTQIA families, I'm going to read this hilarious new book called Bathe the Cat, written by Alice B. McGinty, illustrated by David Roberts. Come on, folks! It's time to clean! Upstairs, downstairs, in between. It's such a mess. If Grandma sees, she comes at 2. So hurry, please. Bobby will mop the floor. Dad will scrub the dishes. I'll vacuum the rug. Sarah feed the fishes. Dad will mow the lawn. And Sarah sweep the mat. Bobby rock the baby, and I'll bathe the cat. Bathe the cat? What's the problem? Nothing's done. You're wasting time. It's after 1. We need to clean now. Do you hear? And stop the laughing. Get in gear. Sarah, feed the floor. I'll sweep the dishes. Bobby, rock the rug. Dad will scrub those fishes. I'll vacuum the lawn. Bobby, bathe the mat. Sarah, mop the baby, and Dad will mow the cat. Mow the cat? No, that's wrong. You call this work? Have all you people gone berserk? You've scrubbed my fish. You fed the floor. Must I read this list once more? Dad, you mow the floor. Bobby, rock the dishes. Sarah, bathe the rug. I'll mop the fishes. Sarah, scrub the lawn. Dad, you feed the mat. Bobby, sweep the baby. I'll vacuum the cat. Vacuum the cat? Nothing's going as I planned. This list is totally out of hand. I've lost my marbles. Understand? Now, hear this. Dad will mow the vacuum. Baby rock the mop. Sarah, mop the Bobby. I'll fish the floor. Wait, stop. Bobby bathe the bathtub. Sarah bob the mat. Dad will feed the lawnmower, and I'll catch the cat. Holy hornets, 10 till 2. I've had enough of all of you. It's almost time for Grandma Marge, so listen up. I'm taking charge. Bobby, mop the floor. Dad will scrub the dishes. I'll vacuum the rug. Sarah, feed the fishes. Dad will mow the lawn. Bobby, sweep the mat. Sarah will catch the baby. And I'll rock the cat. Phew! The end.